Bar al-Hikman. I woke up early to be greeted by the sight of thousands of seabirds. The birds find a refuge in this sanctuary, which is home to 17% of the world's population of crab plovers. My journey here from the capital, Muscat, took me through over 300 kilometers of stunning scenery. Along Oman's coastal strip are numerous creeks and wadis that provide a safe haven for flocks of seabirds and shorebirds, including, among others, large birds such as spoonbills, ibises, flamingos, and several types of herons. As well as small plovers and sandpipers, vultures, seagulls, terns, and the snipe, with its distinctive striped plumage and long bill. Driving along the coast road to Sur and then back to Muscat, I passed several creeks. In most of them I saw not only these birds, but also a great number of other residents and migrants like the great cormorant and Socotra cormorant. The richness of Oman's natural heritage is acknowledged by numerous official bodies, and they're making every effort to protect it. One of these bodies is the National Field Research Centre for Environmental Conservation. Early one morning, I took a boat trip from the city of Muscat to Al Fahal Island. This little island, which is clearly visible from the mainland, is home to an amazing range of marine life. I wanted to see the sooty falcon and its chicks. Numerous bird species visit the Sultanate of Oman, including raptors. One of these is the sooty falcon, which comes here from Madagascar and East Africa in late April and May to nest and breed. The sooty falcon is a threatened species, and the government is making urgent efforts to discover more about it so that effective measures can be taken for its conservation. The following morning I visited the wetland at Al Ansab, an urban haven for a large number of birds including ducks, moorhens and several smaller species. With its wide range of different climates and topography, Oman is at the crossroads of three major migration routes for birds travelling to and from Europe, Africa and Asia. The Sultanate of Oman has recorded over 524 residents, visitors and migrants from 76 different bird families. That's to say, some 5% of all the bird species recorded worldwide. No one who's interested in birds should fail to visit the Governorate of Dhofar. I flew down to Salalah, and as soon as I disembarked from the aeroplane, I noticed the change in temperature. Here you'll find all kinds of birds seeking a haven that will guarantee them food and a suitable climate. They include small birds like the blackstart, the African cinnamon-breasted bunting, the Abyssinian white-eye, the African silverbill, and, most common of all, the Rupel's weaver. Larger birds, to name but a few, Bruce's green pigeon, the Arabian partridge, and the sand partridge. With the arrival of the monsoon, known locally as the Arif, the land comes to life. Plants and insects provide rich pickings for the birds. It's also an ideal time for wildlife photographers and bird lovers. The widely varied terrain found in the Bahira and Dakalia governorates, along the fertile Batanak and in Mukundan, offers the right breeding conditions for numerous bird species. These oases are important places for certain migrating land and shore birds to rest and breed. My trip through the different regions of the Sultanate was a wonderful experience, and I returned home with a fine collection of bird photographs, as well as a treasure trove of precious memories. I hope my efforts will help preserve this rich natural heritage, and that I shall soon have the opportunity to travel again and visit other regions of this beautiful country.